Today's at-home workout is simply my 5-minute indoor walking workout. So this is a great way you can get your step count up. It's a great way to give you a boost of energy and take control of your health daily. So it's a really lovely routine. We've got 8 different walking exercises. We're going to do a little bit of mobility at the beginning. We'll do the walking workouts, 5 minutes, and then a lovely stretch. So if you're ready, let's get started and let's get walking at home. So for this part, all I want you to do is just do 10 seconds. We're just doing a very light little tap here. And this is just about really warming up through your ankle joint, your knee joint and your hip joint. This is just getting you ready for the workout ahead. So what we're going to do, we're going to now have a look at your first move coming up. So you carry on marching for me. The first move is simply just doing this powerful knee drive. So let's get ready and drive that knee up. You're going to be doing this for a duration of 30 seconds. Keep the core muscles pulled in nice and tight. So we're just doing 5 minutes now, non-stop walking at home. And I've got you, as I said, several different indoor walking exercises. You'll get a preview of each new move. So let's just keep that going. So you can see the next move. What we're going to do now for 30 seconds, we'll then do it where we're just doing a little bit more of a side step. So we're stepping from one side to the other. And then when you're ready, you can just draw in the arms as well. So again, you're doing that from one side to the other. And this is just about increasing your step count daily. And it's a fun way of doing it. And of course, this is a low impact exercise, so it's really safe on our joints. And your next move coming up, this time you're just going to step 1 foot behind and you're just going to swing through the arms. So it's a really lovely full body indoor step, this one. And take that leg behind. And the other good thing, what we're doing now is you and I are really working on what I refer to as your motor skills. So it means that mind and muscle connection. So we're really working on our brain as well at the same time. Just keep tapping that foot behind, take that arm in front. So for your next move, we'll go straight into doing that side step. And we're just going to add in the arms when you're ready. So step it from one side to the other. Push up with the arms and down. And again, 30 seconds. So we've got lots of different fun indoor walking exercises that we're doing today, leading one straight into the other. And do let me know in the comments down below what your step count was for this. And the great thing is you can come back and do this workout several times throughout the day. So this next move, I'm going to challenge your balance a little bit. If you struggle with balance, then perhaps keep your arms marching. But this one, you're going to have the arms crossed because it's really going to work your core. If you find it too hard, just keep marching as you would normally, just swinging through the arms. But what I want you to do, if you're doing it with the arms crossed, really keep that belly button pulled in tight to the spine. As you drive that knee up, that's good. All right, nearly there, that's good. Keep going till the arrows reach the top. That's your 30 seconds timer bar. So next move, this time just point a toe in front and alternate when you're ready. Bring in the arm movement as well and tap that out in front. And do definitely come and find me on Facebook, also on Instagram. I do lives every Tuesday talking about everything from fitness, exercise, healthy eating, motivation. All right, that's good. Let's just keep going. Give me that toe tap, swing through with the arms. All right, that's good. So you can see the next move coming up is similar, but this time now I want you to engage your heel on the floor and just give me a little bit of an elbow bend. And this is really important that we're really working different moves here, because what we're doing is we're really encouraging a really good walking technique, which is a heel toe action. So we're really strengthening what's known as the tibialis anterior, the muscle through the front of the shin. It's important we work that. That helps prevent falls as we get a little bit older. So next one is this time now, we're just going to do a side step from one to the other and add in the arms at the same time. And just press the arm in front. That's good, keeping that going. So we've nearly finished this workout today. And of course, as I said to you, you can do this in the morning, lunchtime, afternoon, and evening. And I think it's approximately 500 steps. So there's a quick way of getting in 2,000 steps if you do it 4 times a day. So you can see the next move coming up, the final one, is simply going to be a real fun fast march. So let's go for gold. just march it out as fast as you can. So we're really going to just really up that step count for these last 30 seconds. You can see on the timer bar there. Let's just keep going, doing really well. And just remember, what you and I are doing is you and I are both working on your future health. You are getting fitter, you are getting stronger, you are doing really well. Last little bit till we've reached that 30 seconds. All right, well done. So what I want you to do for me now, still keep moving. It's really important we don't just stop straight away. I want to slowly bring your heart rate back down and just really start to slow that pace down. You can circle through with the arms and also take a few nice deep breaths in and deep breaths out. That's good, and just really well done. So what is important is that we also now do a full cool down stretch. So just bring that to a halt for me. And now what we're going to do, we're going to just stretch. We'll start off with your calf muscles. So step 1 foot behind and just feel that stretch through the back of the lower leg. Just hold that there. Hands are on that bent leg in front. And just change, take that to the opposite leg. And right at the end of the video, I'll leave a link for a playlist which has all these other 5-minute workouts. If you wanted to do one of these now, it'd be easy for you to find. We're now going to do the other leg. So now let's do the hamstring. Feel that through the back of the upper thigh. Just really stretching out through that muscle. It's good. And let's take that to the opposite leg. So these 5-minute ones, just a lovely way that you can pick and choose what areas you want to work. And for the quadricep stretch, just hold on to something for balance. Some people have said they find that stretch hard, so I'm showing you an alternative in the left-hand corner. And if you're really interested in walking, I've got a whole page on my website with lots of blogs, other walking videos. So also at the end of the video, I'll leave a little link you can tap on to find out more. So well done, you did it. There is your high five, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.